VTMS Sikka, Jamnagar, Gujarat. History, background, and functionality. The Vessel Traffic Management System, VTMS, at Sikka, located near Jamnagar on the southern shore of the Gulf of Kutch, is one of India's most strategically important maritime traffic management systems. Sikka is situated in one of the busiest oil and chemical shipping regions in India. It serves major crude oil terminals, petroleum product jetties, LNG, LPG terminals, fertilizer jetties, bulk cargo terminals, captive industrial ports. The area handles hundreds of millions of tons of cargo every year, making safe navigation absolutely essential. Why was VTMS needed at Sikka? Before VTMS was introduced, vessel movement in the Gulf of Kutch relied mainly upon visual observations, VHF radio communication, lighthouse reporting, pilot reports, manual traffic coordination. As marine traffic increased dramatically during the 1990s and 2000s because of expansion of oil refineries, new private ports, increase in tanker traffic, growing export-import trade, the risks also increased considerably. Major challenges included congested navigation channels, crossing tanker routes, fishing boat interference, dense fog during winter, cyclonic weather, oil spill risk, possibility of vessel collisions. These concerns made a modern traffic management system essential. Historical background. Rapid industrial development. Sikka transformed from a traditional coastal settlement into one of India's largest energy hubs after major industrial development, particularly the establishment of large refinery and port infrastructure. The region now includes facilities serving crude oil imports, petroleum exports, chemical cargo, LPG, LNG, fertilizer raw materials, coal, containers, general cargo. As vessel traffic multiplied, the government recognized that conventional navigation control methods were no longer sufficient. Nakcha at the Gulf of Kutch VTMS project. Following increasing maritime activity and coastal security concerns, the Government of India and the Government of Gujarat initiated the Gulf of Kutch VTMS project. The project was implemented jointly by Directorate General of Lighthouses and Lightships, DGLL, Gujarat Maritime Board, GMB, Deen Dayal Port Authority. The cost-sharing arrangement was approximately DGLL 50%, Deen Dayal Port 25%, Gujarat Maritime Board 25%. The project experienced delays during civil construction, although the electronic systems were largely ready earlier. Present importance of VTMS. Sikka today, VTMS Sikka protects navigation for ships calling at Sikka Port, Vadanar, Reliance Marine Terminals, GSFC Jetty, various captive terminals, offshore single-point moorings, SPMs. The system continuously monitors crude oil tankers, VLCCs, product tankers, LNG carriers, LPG vessels, bulk carriers, tugs, hovercraft, fishing vessels. Main objectives. The objectives of VTMS Sikka include 1. Safe navigation. Prevent collisions by monitoring all vessel movements. 2. Traffic organization manage. Entry, departure, anchoring, pilot boarding, berthing, unberthing to avoid congestion. 3. Environmental protection. Reduce the likelihood of oil spills, chemical leaks, groundings, marine pollution. 4. Maritime security. Track unidentified or suspicious vessels, helping strengthen coastal security. 5. Efficient port operations. Optimize vessel scheduling to reduce waiting times, fuel consumption, and delays. Components of VTMS Sikka. The system integrates several technologies. Radar stations provide continuous surveillance of vessel movements over a wide area. AIS, Automatic Identification System, receives real-time information such as ship name, IMO number, course, speed, destination, cargo type. CCTV cameras offer visual monitoring of navigation channels, berths, and anchorages. VHF communication maintains direct contact between the VTMS center and vessels. Meteorological sensors monitor wind, visibility, rain, atmospheric pressure, temperature. Tide gauges supply real-time tidal information for safe navigation. Electronic navigation charts, ENC, display vessel positions over digital nautical charts. Central control room. Operators monitor all traffic from integrated workstations and coordinate with pilots and port authorities. How VTMS operates. The process typically follows these steps. 1. Vessel enters the Gulf of Kutch. 2. Radar and AIS detect the vessel. 3. Ship information appears on operator displays. 4. VTMS establishes VHF communication. 5. Pilot boarding is coordinated. 6. Traffic is sequenced safely. 7. Berthing instructions are issued. 8. The vessel is monitored throughout its stay. 9. Departure is supervised until the vessel exits the monitored area. Next, services provided VTMS Sikka supports Traffic Information Service (TIS), Navigational Assistance Service (NAS), Traffic Organization Service (TOS), Weather Information, Tidal Information, Emergency Response Coordination, Search and Rescue Assistance, Pollution Response Support, Security Monitoring. These align with recommendations issued by the International Maritime Organization for Vessel Traffic Services. Benefits. The VTMS provides numerous operational benefits: significant reduction in collision risk, faster vessel turnaround, improved berth utilization, lower fuel consumption due to reduced weighting, enhanced navigational safety in poor visibility, better emergency response, stronger coastal surveillance, improved environmental protection, greater efficiency for port operations. Why Sikka is strategically important. Sikka lies close to one of India's largest concentrations of energy infrastructure. The surrounding region includes major oil refineries, petrochemical complexes, offshore oil terminals, LNG facilities, fertilizer industries, cement and power facilities, heavy maritime traffic routes. The movement of very large crude carriers, VLCCs, LNG vessels, product tankers, and support craft requires continuous traffic monitoring and coordination, attached alignment with international standards. Although the International Maritime Organization's VTS Convention framework has not been ratified by every maritime nation, IMO strongly recommends that vessel traffic services be established in areas with heavy traffic, environmental sensitivity, restricted waterways, high accident potential. India has proactively implemented VTMS/VTS systems at several strategic locations, including the Gulf of Kutch, to improve navigational safety and marine environmental protection. Conclusion. The VTMS Sikka is a cornerstone of maritime safety in Western India. Developed in response to the rapid growth of shipping and energy infrastructure in the Gulf of Kutch, it integrates radar, AIS, CCTV, VHF communications, meteorological sensors, and digital navigation tools to monitor and guide vessel movements around the clock. By reducing the risk of collisions, groundings, oil spills, and security incidents while improving port efficiency, the system plays a vital role in safeguarding one of India's busiest and most strategically significant maritime corridors.